The Bissell MultiClean Allergen Liftoff Pet Vacuum, Model 2998, is a powerful and pet-focused upright vacuum designed to tackle hair, dander, and everyday messes. With its liftoff portability, sealed HEPA system, and specialized tools, it delivers deep cleaning performance while improving air quality in your home. Strong multi-surface cleaning performance. This vacuum offers powerful suction that works effectively on both carpets and hard floors. It is designed to lift embedded dirt, dust, and pet hair, making it ideal for homes with pets and heavy foot traffic. Liftoff, detachable, pod for versatility. The liftoff feature allows you to detach the canister from the base, turning it into a portable vacuum. This makes it easy to clean stairs, upholstery, curtains, and other hard-to-reach areas with convenience and flexibility. HEPA sealed allergen system. Equipped with a HEPA-sealed system, the vacuum captures and traps allergens such as dust, pollen, and pet dander inside the machine. This helps improve indoor air quality and is especially beneficial for allergy sufferers. LED headlights for better visibility. The built-in LED headlights illuminate hidden dust, debris, and peat hair, especially under furniture or in darker areas. This ensures no dirt is left behind during cleaning. Specialized pet tools included, it comes with dedicated pet tools, including attachments designed for removing stubborn pet hair from furniture, stairs, and tight spaces. These tools enhance cleaning efficiency in pet-heavy households. Easy empty dirt tank. The vacuum features an easy empty dirt tank, allowing quick and mess-free disposal of collected debris. This makes maintenance simple and hygienic. Tangle-free brush roll, pet hair control. The brush roll is designed to minimize hair wrap, reducing the hassle of cleaning tangled hair from the roller and ensuring smoother operation during use. Swivel steering for easy maneuverability. With swivel steering, the vacuum moves easily around furniture and obstacles. This improves control and makes cleaning less tiring, especially in tight spaces. Large capacity dirt bin for longer cleaning. The vacuum includes a spacious dirt tank, allowing longer cleaning sessions without frequent emptying, ideal for larger homes or deep cleaning tasks. Durable and pet-friendly design built with pet owners in mind, the vacuum combines durability, strong suction, and specialized tools to handle daily cleaning challenges efficiently. The Bissell MultiClean Allergen Liftoff Pet Vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution, especially for homes with pets. With its portable liftoff design, HEPA filtration, and pet-specific tools, it offers excellent performance and convenience for maintaining a clean and allergen-free environment.